Hey everyone, I'm Scott Sery, the founder of Know to Grow, where I take you from having no idea how to make money without a boss to growing that idea so that you can live life on your terms. In the world of marketing, there are these things called weasel words. You know what they are, and you've probably actually used them just about every day of your life. It might have been on accident, or you might actually know what you're doing and doing it on purpose. These weasel words are designed to weasel your way out of committing to something. It's to make a statement less committal. But they're often used to mislead or even just straight up trick people into signing up or buying from you. So I want to go through a few examples and show a proper way to do it. Weasel words are words like can or should, and the way they might read in a marketing effort are, my product can outlast any competitor. Literally any product can make that claim. If you use the product once a year, it'll outlast a competing product that's intended for daily use. Words like as much as are also weasel words. MLMs are really bad about this. They say things like, members of our totally legit MLM earn as much as $10,000 per week. Yeah, the dude at the top of the pyramid might get that, but most members, they earn far, far less. Weasel words can be fraction of. Something along the lines of, sign up for a fraction of the cost of the other guys. Well, what fraction? 99/100ths is technically a fraction, and if you think about it, 200/100ths is a fraction too. It's still double what the other guys charge. Now, even words that don't seem to weasel your way out of things can still be used as weasel words when they're used inappropriately. Words like improve or increase, used in a sentence, could be, our SEO services will improve your search engine rankings. They're not lying. Any legit SEO is going to improve your rankings, but moving from spot 147 to 146, not really a big deal. The thing is, weasel words often work. The problem is they don't build trust. If your company is all about churn them and burn them, then yeah, mislead people into buying your product all you want. But if you want to have loyal fans and followers that they come back time and time again, you need to skip these weasel words. When you're struggling to earn money on the side, and you don't even have the message yet, let alone you're not using weasel words to get that message out, then you need to head over to www.knowtogrow.com and sign up for free, because that's where I'll teach you how to increase your income and land your first client so that you can improve your life by living it on your own terms. How much of an increase and what that improvement means to you is all up to you, and it depends on how much effort you want to put into the system.